welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog. So I'm finally going back to Canada after 4 months. I'm gonna miss my family a lot, and I'm not really ready to go back, but my visa expires in 6 months, so I have to. Leaving all that aside, this time going back is going to be very different. If you don't know yet, Canada has applied 3 days compulsory quarantine that has to be prepaid, and it costs a lot of money. So I'm going to tell you all about it in this video, and I'm also going to vlog me going back. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I look like an idiot with this, but life safety first. I need to reach Canada without being corona positive, and we have reached airport. So I'm inside the airport, and again, I'm not sure if you can hear me, but the worst part of going back is goodbye, and I've already done that. But it seems like the lines and the waiting is going to be even worse. So yeah, I have a huge line in front of me. Okay, so the worst part of the travel is over. I am at the Delhi food court right now. All my immigration and security is done. It was quite different this time. So it was different because they had more checkpoints than normal, and also they asked for more documents than they normally would. So at the gate, they asked me for a RT-PCR test report. They normally would only ask me for my ticket and my passport, but luckily I had that. So the next step was to get your documents checked. So during COVID, you need to have a reason to travel. Either you're a returning student, returning worker, or a new worker or student going to Canada. Just make sure that if you're returning, you have a support letter from your college. If you're a student, a valid job offer letter from your employer if you're a worker, and if you're a new student or worker, just make sure that you have all the documents needed. For students, it would be an acceptance letter. Okay, leaving all that aside, the next thing that they asked me while I was getting my bags checked in was that I need to have a 3 days hotel quarantine confirmed. And again, I did my research and I had it, so I showed it to them. Make sure that you have that as well. The next thing were the immigration and the normal cabin bag check-in. They were totally normal, nothing new. So do not panic. Make sure you have a reason to travel, a RT-PCR COVID report, and a 3 days hotel quarantine booked if you're coming to Canada. For other countries, the rules will be different. So yeah, I'll let you guys know if something new happens. It's 10:30 right now. We have to board at 11:30 and our flight leaves at 12:30. So let's go. Well, we came here way too early. It's already half an hour since we have been sitting here, and I'm really bored at this point. So I definitely was in a panic mode when I could not find my luggage at the airport for the first 15 minutes. So the longest waiting time of my journey was definitely at the Toronto airport when I was waiting for a shuttle to reach my hotel. Okay, so I'm back home. I'm doing my quarantine. It's way later, and I'm going to tell you a few things that happened at the Toronto airport that might help you if you're planning to travel. So the 3 things that are very important for you to remember is it is a 3-step process: immigration, getting your bags, and then the COVID test. In immigration, they are going to ask you more questions than they normally would, like reasons to travel, even why did you go to your country, and why you're deciding to come back. So yeah, answer them correctly. Then they'll ask you about your 3 days hotel quarantine. Remember, your 3 days hotel quarantine is supposed to be booked for their first stop in Canada. My first stop was Toronto. I live in Montreal, but my first stop was Toronto, so I booked my 3 days hotel for Toronto. The next thing that they asked me was for the ArriveCan app. You need to register at an app called ArriveCan, and you need to report your symptoms every single day on that app. And of course, they asked me for my documents that they normally would. But remember, you need to support your reasons to travel with documents as well. Like, I had a support letter from my college that literally told them why I came back. Moving forward, we put our bag from the check-in, whatever that is. We picked our bag from there and we went for the COVID test. The COVID tests were done and we were given a at-home kit as well that was supposed to be taken at the 10th day of the quarantine once we were back home, like right now. Okay, after all this was done, we had the biggest wait of our life. We waited for the shuttle to the hotel. It took us around 1 to 1.5 hours standing there waiting for a shuttle to take us to our hotel with a huge line, crowded line. Made no sense during COVID and all these policies going on, but that was that. Then we went to the hotel. And that's it for this video. This was an informational video mostly, and I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below whatever you want to see next. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.